Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to this Guitar Gate tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you my easy way of playing When the Saints Go Marching In, Chord Melody. In other words, we're going to play some chords and connect those chords together with some note melodies. This is going to be done in the key of G major, and we'll need to know 3 chords. The chords we'll need to know are a G chord made in this shape. We'll need to use specific shapes because of the notes and how they're going to be arranged in the piece. We'll need to play a G with a finger on the 3rd fret on the low E string, the 2nd fret on the A string, and hold down the B and high E string at fret 3 because we'll need that D note right there. We'll need to play a conventional C chord like this. I'm holding down the A string at fret 3, the D string at fret 2, and the B string at fret 1, and strumming from the A string. Also a conventional D chord, in which I'm holding down the B string at fret 3, the high E string at fret 2, and the G string at fret 2, strumming from the D string. So those are the 3 chords that we'll use. So here's how we'll play our chord melody. We'll start by going to the G string, playing it open, and then the B string, playing it open. So that was open G, open B, and the first finger for C at fret 1 on the B string, and then a G chord. So we played open G, open B, C, and a G chord. We'll play that 3 times in a row, like this. And then we'll play an open B, open G, back to open B, and then a D chord. Next we'll go to the open B string, play it twice, fret 2 on the G string, and then the G chord again. Open G, open B, fret 3 for a D 3 times, and then a C chord. We'll go back to our C note, play C, 1st fret on the B string, open, back to 1, then a G chord, an open B, and then we'll play our D chord twice, and then finish with a G chord. So let's go through that again slowly. Now once we've learned it, it should sound like this. Well, all right, my friends, that's my easy way of playing When the Saints Go Marching In on acoustic guitar, Chord Melody. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.